Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, June 17, 2022, and here is news in a minute. Another weekend of disruptive rain and strong winds for the Western Cape. The SA Weather Service, SAWS, has issued level 2 warnings of disruptive rain and strong winds for parts of the Western Cape on Saturday. Localized flooding of susceptible informal settlements and roads may occur due to blocked drains, and traffic delays may be expected. There could be localized motor vehicle accidents due to wet slippery roads and/or reduced visibility. SAWS. It furthermore warned that small boats must stay away from the open sea and seek the shelter of a harbor, river estuary, or protected bay. Ensure that all temporary structures are well anchored. Take extra caution on roads. The following areas will be affected by the strong winds: City of Cape Town, Theewaterskloof, Grabo, Drakenstein/Paarl, Wind, Table Bay, Swartland, Dawson Island, Overstrand and Hermanus. The SAWS warned that damage to formal/informal settlements and some structural damage are possible. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.